Hey explorers, I'm Steven, and today we're diving into one of the biggest mysteries in space. What's inside a black hole? A black hole is a place in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes form when massive stars reach the end of their life and collapse under their own gravity. That collapse squeezes all the star's mass into an incredibly tiny space. Around it is an invisible border called the event horizon. Once something crosses that line, it can never escape. Not even light can get out. That's why it's called a black hole. Inside, gravity crushes matter into a single point called a singularity. The singularity is so dense that space and time actually bend. That means inside a black hole, time slows down, almost to a stop. From the outside, black holes look small, but their gravity reaches far. They can pull in stars, planets, even light itself. When matter falls in, it spins super fast and heats up. That's the bright glow we see. That glow isn't the black hole itself, it's the stuff falling toward it. Some black holes are as small as atoms, others are millions of times heavier than the sun. The one in the center of our galaxy is called Sagittarius A star. Scientists took the first picture of a black hole in 2019. It looked like a glowing ring of fire. We can't see inside, but we can study what happens around them. Some black holes spin, shooting beams of energy called jets. They help galaxies grow by stirring up gas and dust. Scientists use math and physics to imagine what happens inside, maybe even portals to other universes. It's just a theory, but thinking big is how discoveries begin. Even though black holes sound scary, they're important parts of our universe. They recycle matter, shape galaxies, and show us how gravity really works. So what's inside a black hole? Energy, mystery, and the power of gravity. It's space's deepest secret, still waiting to be solved. Every time we study them, we learn something new about the universe. They remind us that even the darkest places can teach us something bright. Stay curious, explorers, and keep thinking deep.